Oh Allah, you're putting me through a tough test. One side celebration, the other a grim mourning. Roses bloom in half of my heart for my soon-to-be-born child. On the other half, my brother and his family. They have all suffered because of me. My wounds are bleeding, but I'll have to keep it from my wife, lest she's sad and my baby gets hurt. Just as you turned their inferno into a rose garden for Ibrahim, I'll have to turn half of my heart into a rose garden, O Allah. Grant relief to Isagaha's heart. You let worms infest Prophet Ayyub's scars, and then you healed him. If there's a remedy to the pain I feel, grant it to me.
Ah, the table's set. We're waiting for you.
Coming. Coming.
Lesvos.
How are you, Aha?
How do you think, Khizr? I went to see them. They're alive under the soil. And I'm dead just above it.